But I don't know. Oh God. We're gonna get it right and get it right until we get it wrong and get it right again until we get it wrong until we get it right until we get it right and then get it wrong. Bomama ngokulandelana kwenu nje. Yes. We're gonna get it right. We're gonna get it right until we get it wrong. And then we're gonna get it wrong and get it wrong until we get it right. Imagine guys, ngizofundisa umuntu onempandla ukuthi bingelelani. Yo! Ngiyabona nje le ngihamba naye okhona namhlanje stop nonsense. Namhlanje stop nonsense. We'll take it or leave it. Okay, let me just do a quick recap quickly. Okokuqala sikhuluma ngokuthi into oqala singene kuyona ukuthi you don't mina nawe let's then begin a journey whereby we are identifying ukuthi no zonke izinto umlungu athe asiqhelelani nazo kodwa yena ezumlungu wangaqhelelana nazo sivumelane in principle ukuthi we must do the exact opposite, meaning ukuthi advise yomlungu bangabithi stay away from this, actually you must not stay away from it. Then ngase ngenza umzekeliso whereby I'm then saying to you iBhayibheli lithi umuntu nenyoka yizitha. Uma ngabe inyoka ibona umuntu ayimshaye, uma ngabe umuntu ebona inyoka akayishaye. Kodwa manje iproblem isekutheni umlungu bangabe ibona inyoka akayishayi. Uze ebize labantu laba kuyibona abahlenga ilwane ama snake catchers bezoyilanda le snake lesi. Sometimes umlungu yena olanda inyoka and keeps this snake as a pet. So sengithi mina kwenu uyabona yini ukuthi we've been misled on the basis that inyoka kuthiwa asishaye siyibulale, kodwa umbuzo uthi kanjani ekubeni iambulance inophawu lenyoka, into ekunikeza ithemba bangabe sifikile, into ekunikeza ukuphila. Because the minute uba kwilontuzana kwiambulance yilaba qala khona ukuxilonga khona that so iambulance is a sign of life. Kodwa iBhayibheli lithi wena ibulala inyoka, kodwa le nyoka kufanele ngabe wena uyayibulala. Abelungu bona abayibulali, kunalokho bayayihlenga inyoka. Ngithi mina iWorld Health Organization, an organization which deals with the health all over the world, inophawu lwenyoka, kodwa le nyoka bathi ibulali, kodwa le nyoka bathi yimbi. It is your enemy. So then the question then remains, uma ngabe inyoka ibheda kangaka, how come ibona abayibeka kwizona zonke izinto ezibalekile ezibhekene nokuphila? Uma ngabe uhamba ya kumfundisi esontweni umtshela ukuthi uphupha inyoka uzokutshela ukuthi isitha, it's a sign of an enemy. Angayilizwa nanokulizwa iphupho kahle in order to discern it properly ukuthi lisho ukuthini. Now we've got a problem. Then I go then again to say, enye into engenza umzekeliso ngayo yesibili, and lena ngoba ithanda ukujula kancane, ngithi mina ungasali, ungalimali. You rather scroll and leave ulo live lokunokuthi usali. That is why I wanted you to actually interact with me. Into yesibili engingena kuyona ukuthi kuthiwa kulelizwi lesanikezwa lo neBhayibheli lesanikezwa to stay away from umuntu wesifazane. Right? Uma ngabe umuntu wesifazane esesikhathini, ngoba ngalesikhathi umuntu wesifazane esesikhathini kuthi umuntu wesifazane ungcolile. Then mina I'm then saying to you, yo, ithanda kube inkinga ke le. Ngoba lento eningichazela yona esifunde eBhayibhelini ukuthi cha ungcolile umuntu osifazana manje sesikhathini. Ngithi mina to me it does not make sense. Ngoba uma ngabe mina njengamanje ngiyongena ngime phambi kweshawa ngaphansi kweshawa ngivulela amanzi phansi kweshawa. Uma ngabe wena uthi ngingcolile kulowo mzuzu amanzi engithela when the cleansing process is happening. Uyangithuka kahle kahle. Ngingcola kanjani ngibe ngihlanjwa as we speak. I'm being cleansed, I'm being purified as we speak. Ngingcola kanjani? Make it make sense. Because umuntu osifazane ngalesikhathi esikhathini isona sikhathi lesimpela la khona aphiyo khona. Ibambe kahle lento. Ngingangcola before I get into the shower. Ngingangcola after sengiphumile kwishower. Yabona mama sengiyisulile nani ngaqala ngingashawa idust nje easily like that ngingcola. But it cannot be ukuthi during the purification phase uzongibiza ngokuthi ngingcolile. Njani? Sifike kanjani lapho? Make it make sense. Now, umuntu wesifazane usuke release amaqanda. Lamaqanda nene ngathi abolile noma lamaqanda lawa angazange ethole conceiver, and that is why it's being flushed, and it's being flushed by what? By blood. Now are you saying ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ungcolile ngenxa yokuthi urelease amaqanda angazange efertilize? Noma are you saying ukuthi umuntu wesifazane ungcolile ngoba nakho ephuma igazi? Now nithi umuntu wesifazane ungcolile ngoba uphuma igazi. Sengiyabuya ke mina ngithi no. Then inkinga isegazini. Inkinga isegazini. So asibambi principle ke yegazi. Uma ngabe umuntu wesifazane ebleeda ephuma igazi sithi ungcolile. But in the same Bible like lachitheka nje igazi. Kuthiwa abantu babehamba umuntu ehambise ijuba noma ehambise imvu noma ehambise iskapu noma ehambise inkomo etempelini likaNkuluNkulu, emva kwalokho base iyathathwa le nto yenza umhlatshelo. Before ibe umhlatshelo iqale inqunywe kuqala base kuphuma ini igazi. Yenjani leli clean base kuthwele umuntu lingcolile? Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Now do you understand the contradictions? Ne? Base bethi no. Stay away from umuntu wesifazane ngoba ungcolile uma ngabe esesikhathini ngenxa yokuthi uyopha uphuma igazi. Ngithi mina iprinciple eyegazi. Kanjani ngoba kwanamhlanje siyalitusa igazi lani lemvana. Njani? Ngoba kuthiwa lo yamRoma, that Roman soldier uma ngabe imlontuza imgwaza la just below the rib kwaphuma igazi kwaphuma amanzi. Nithi kodwa igazi lingcolile kodwa bame kuumuntu wesifazane. Njani? Yingoba abantu besifazane bayasatshwa. Abantu besifazane babesatshwa abelungu, abantu besifazane basatshwa amadoda, abantu abamnyama. Umuntu wesifazane ke lo. Phela fanele sibuye sinitshele kancane amaqiniso, because you are refusing to spiritually unlearn and then relearn the proper things. Unlearn the wrong things and then relearn the proper things. Umuntu wesifazane uthi uthe yongena esigodlweni somelaphi. Umuntu wesifazane yo eqale kubuza umelaphi ukuthi usesikhathini yini, ngoba angifuni ungene esigodlweni sami uma ngabe usesikhathini. Uyazi indaba uthi ungena kuleso sigodlo leso ziphuphe zonke lezi zilwane nemithi ekhona la esigodlweni. Amandla alelo gazi lomuntu wesifazane ethi ungcolile. Yabona umuntu wesifazane yo akulungile ngizokhuluma. Uyabona ayikho isibambelelo or idliso elisuke lishawe kumuntu wesilisa njengokuthi umuntu wesifazane amlalise, be intimate with while isesikhathini. Ingakho nanitshela ukuthi wena umuntu wesilisa stay away from umuntu wesifazane, futhi umuntu wesifazane ku wrong ngempela, kuyicala even nasezulwini ukuthi ungalala nomuntu owaziyo ukuthi awufuni ukuthi ebe ubambo lwakho kodwa ulale naye usesikhathini, ngoba ngalesikhathi ulala naye usesikhathini umbamba ngqi, akadabuli umbamba ngqi. Uqonda njengomkhonto ethi thwi loyo. Utheye kusibanibani kodwa becabanga wena, bekhumbula wena. Esehleli nosibanibani kodwa ebebhizi ecabanga wena. Ngoba manje kukhona lento omenze yona eyimfihlakalo leningatshelwa yona. Nithanda kakhulu nabesifazana ukuthi nizidlise la. There's so much power in the blood. And there's no pun intended. There is power in the blood. So ingakho ni isolate nabantu besifazane base nibekwe eceleni. So the question is based on the principle ukuthi igazi elinjani lelithi ngcolile, elinjani lelithi acceptayo, elinjani lelithi ngcolile. Principle. In the same biblical document nithi hayi no, igazi bame kuumuntu wesifazane liyabheda, kodwa bame kuyigazi leyilwana hayi kulungile, kodwa bame kuyigazi lemvana hayi lilungile, kodwa imvana eyalethwa umuntu wesifazane emhlabeni. Then the question then remains ukuthi wena nakho uzalwa yinzala abantu umuntu wesifazane aliphumanga yini igazi, the water broke, but during the process of birth blood came out. So in principle it means mina nawe singcolile if sizothi igazi lomuntu wesifazane owophayo lingcolile, because igazi. Do you guys get that now? Oh Nkosi yami. Emathuneni sobonana. Emathuneni siyobonana. Bakhona ba confused like nini? Ngoba it seems like you guys are confused. Are any of you confused? Are any of you confused? Because I wanna go away now from this thing, right? Sengiphumile endabeni yenyoka, ngiphumile endabeni yegazi, ngiphumile endabeni yokuthi awuhambi yo documenta yonke into umlungu athi yimbi and you must stay away from. Document that. Baqeda ukudocumenta, you do the exact opposite of that. You do the exact opposite of that. Ungabusalalela manje umlungu sibadala kabi manje, we are waking up spiritually manje. Everything which is a lie, and your guide will tell you this is a lie, this is true, this is a lie. Just right. I want to again come back and emphasize one last item kunina. Khona izinto, I don't care which documents or wording or vocabulary you use on this one. Whether you call him God or you call him Yahweh or you call him Umvilingangi or Umviliqala or Umkhulu, for me it's neither here nor there. It's the message which is important. Let me echo this again to you now for the last time. Everywhere there is a hierarchy. Everywhere there is a hierarchy. There are things which God has determined, decided, decreed over your life. uNkulunkulu lo uthatha isinqumo ngawo ukuthi wena in your lifetime ukuthi nokuthi kuzokwenzeka, kumnyama kubovu kuzokwenzeka empilweni yakho. Some of those things are good things. Some of those things are bad things. And all these things, they come from God. Bawucabanga ukuthi ngiyahlanya phuma ku live wami ibhantshi ligcwala umoya, but then I'll give you a bit of evidence Nkosi yami ngoba ave ngakholwa nini. Right? Somebody do me a favor there. Just write, type nje. I remember that it was actually Ecclesiastes. Let me check. Yeah, it was Ecclesiastic 7. Ecclesiastic noma ngathi ECC 7 verse 14, ne? Somebody do me that favor, because now angithi nina nihlezi nithi God is good, but nithi all the time, right? But nithi all the time God is good. When God is good all the time, it does not mean ukuthi things are going to be good for you all the time, right? So Ecclesiastes, I'm presenting it to you to say khona izinqumo ezithathwa uNkulunkulu ngempilo yakho, and ezinye lezo izinqumo lezo zinhle, ezinye lezo zinqumo lezo zimbi ngempilo yakho, that is been predestined. It's not going to change. It's going to be a part of your life whether you like it or not. And then the scripture says, verse 14, Ecclesiastes chapter 7 verse 14, uthi when times are good, be happy. But when times are bad, you must consider that God has made the one as well as the other. Meaning ukuthi konke kwenziwe uNkulunkulu. Konke kwenziwe uNkulunkulu. Okuhle, okubi kwenziwe uNkulunkulu. And that is why I always come back and argue with you guys to say, yebo siyamblame. Akulona lokududuza. Yes, ungabududuza, but when you are happy, you must remember that the bad times are coming. Gogo love. When you are happy, you must remember that, because phela uNkulunkulu wenza kanjalo. Iring ayinikeza inkosi uSolomon. Yayilotshiwe la ngaphakathi ukuthi this too shall pass. uSolomon mangabe ejabule, emane ebuka iring yakhe, mangabe ibuka le ring ibhala ukuthi this too shall, base yajabula ukuthi we le happiness le izophela. Uma ngabe ekhala esosizini faced with trials and tribulations, uma ngabe ibuka le ring yakhe ibhaliwe ukuthi this too shall pass, and then base ba hopeful umsili, base ba hopeful ukuthi hayi no izodlula futhi lesi simo lesi, ngoba yonke into ngifuna ibambe kahle. There are things in your life which have been predestined by God, and I want you to once and for all understand ukuthi what's what. So uma ngabe kuukuthi kudaliwe ukuthi wena uzoshada, you'll have a husband. Rest assured, you shall have a husband. Ukuthi ufika nini, it's a different matter altogether, and that's where you and I are coming to deliberate on right now. Nina ninale preconceived idea ukuthi into uNkulunkulu akunikeze yona ingatshontshwa womunye umuntu. No. Not onikeze uNkulunkulu. Ngifuna uyizwe kahle lento leyo khona sizocathulisana kahle. Khona izinto ezikwi listing yakho ukuthi they're going to be a part of your life, they're going to be in your life. Right? Now if kuukuthi kunjalo, akekho umuntu ongayitshontsha leyo nto leyo, nibhizi ningena egodlweni usibani bani uzotshontsha isipho sami, angazama. But if kuukuthi unikezwe uNkulunkulu lesi sipho lesi nalolu bizo, khululeka. Ayindawo leyo nto leyo. Ayindawo eyakho. Efika omunye umuntu empilweni yakho ezitshela ukuthi impilo yakho ingcono ngoba yena usesempilweni yakho, ezitshela ukuthi uma ngabe wena uphuma yena bangabe phuma empilweni yakho, your life is going to collapse. No, kanjani? Because lento ibekwe ubani? uNkulunkulu. And the reason why umkhalela kangaka lo muntu lo ingenxa yokuthi wena you do not understand ukuthi uNkulunkulu onginikeze lento, uqobo lwami lento, isiphiwo sami lesi, isabelo sami, they can come, they can go, but uNkulunkulu lento anginikeze yona before I was born izohlala nami until I die. Ibambe lapho leyo nto. Ngoba mina ngithi kuwena izinto which were predestined by God, nobody can interfere with those things. Nobody can take it away from you. They can try because ababoni ukuthi unikezwe uNkulunkulu, but they will fail in the process and they will hate you more than in the process. Now laze ngibuya khona mina ukuthi wena ngik-understand this ukuthi ikuphi la isikhona. Sengithi mina khona izinto ezibe ziqhamuka from your ancestors. Angithi izulele kaNkulunkulu ukuthi thini? Mase kuba khona izinto eziqhamuka from your ancestors. OkaNkulunkulu akhulumisi, it's not open for negotiation, it's not open for discussion. Ngoba uNkulunkulu uthe bangabe kubona wathi lempilo yakho bangabe uyiqala uze uyigcina, there is no way ukuthi 1 2 3 cannot happen in your life. Base kuba khona izinto ezithize eziqhamuka with your ancestors. Lezi zinto eziqhamuka with your ancestors uyakhona ukuyiphahlela uyiqele. Lezo zinto lezo eziqhamuka with your ancestors Your ancestors are the vessel to come and deliver to you izinto vele sekuvunyelwane ngazo emazulwini ukuthi isabelo sakho lesi. Ngamanye amazwi into okwazi ukuthi uyikhulume uyinegotiate with your guides izwa kahle ngikuthathe kahle. So God has predestined ukuthi wena in this lifetime you are going to have your own property in your name, your own property in title deed ibhalwe igama lakho. You understand leyo nto leyo isivunyiwe emazulwini. So sekushoda izinto ezimbalwa, the when and the how. Uyayizwa lento le? It's not a question of it's not about if you're going to get it. No. It's when are you going to get it and how are you going to get it. Uyibambe lento. Yila wena usuyakhona ke manje usubhuqa phansi ngedolo usuyaphahla manje to your ancestors. To them say bantu abadala. Ngicela lo muzi lona man eningithembise wona awusheshe uyayihlangabeza lento uyayizwa uyayihlangabeza uyaphahla manje uyayihlangabeza manje kubantu abadala ngicela lo muzi lo usheshe uze ukuze ngizokhululeka ngikwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngimdumise kahle nani nibuse kahle egcikeni lenu. Uyayibamba ke manje isiza manje sigijima kuwena ngoba mhlambe bekuthiwe wena you're gonna get this thing 10 years later. But when I also bambi 10 years later, uyibamba manje usuyifuna manje ukuthi mayize manje so that whatever it is that you are supposed to gain in your life 10 years ago, imane emva kwalokho uyithole maduze. Unfortunately leyo nto leyo izoza nama trials and tribulations. Base wena ugijima ulalela isidomu esikutshelayo ukuthi wena bangabe uphahla wena ubusy wena uentertain ama demon uentertain izinto ezinosathane leso silima lesi ngenxa yokuthi there's a disconnection between them comprehending and understanding the relationship between God and your ancestors and how they actually complement each other. Because phela mangabe kwenzeka ukuthi ngiyaphahla lapha yani and ikenzeka mina ngizocela into engazi kamhlo I may not know. No, not me. Into enzakala ngiyaphahla mina. Ibambe kahle lento izwe kahle lento. Ngiyahamba mina ngiyophahla and I don't have children and I'm asking God, asking my ancestors, ngicela ningizame ngomntwana. I don't have somebody to carry my seed. So I'm the last of this generation. And umshado wami uzophela manje. Upartner wami uzophuma manje eyenza izinto engasile ngenxa yokuthi udinga umntwana. Right? Mina angazi mina ukuthi angidalelwanga mina ukuthi ngibe nabantwana. Ubani owazi? It's my ancestors. Ayanizwa lento. It's my ancestors. Ukuphahla kwami sengithuma isithunywa sami ngithuma idalwa zami ukuthi zihambe ziyokhuluma noNkulunkulu zinxusele zingikhalele kuNkulunkulu hayi nangu manje umntwana wena sonini nanini wena mdala weyinsuku wena alpha no omega wena moya wasendulo nangu umntwana ekhala ethi ucela ukuthi umzwele ucela ukuthi umnikeze umntwana and nazi izathu azibekile. It's your ancestors because your ancestors know ukuthi when you are not destined to have a child, but when you do not know as an individual, you need to go phahla bethatha umkhuleko wakho bewubeke emsamo omkhulu kaNkulunkulu umnini mandla onke. uNkulunkulu lokho ayicubungula lento. uNkulunkulu lokho ayicubungula lento le. Uyabona wena ukuthi hayi manje ngiphahlile but my ancestors are not answering. Bathuli. Hayi, ebese uyasuka futhi wena. Basuthi wena Jehova. There is communication manje. Wena Jehova wena. Wena uhlulwa yilutho wena. Wena Jehova. Ngoba mina ngimazi omunye uNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwakho wena kodwa wena uhlulwa yilutho wena Jehova. Mina ngikwaziyo wena Jehova wenza kahle kogogo nomkhulu bami abaphile before mina. So when you cannot let me down, awungenzela umusa. I'm calling for your grace. I'm calling for your mercy. Nginike lo mntwana. So ukhuluma noba manje. Uyayibamba manje. Uyayizwa manje. Eqaleni ubuka uthuma ama ancestors zakho. ekuyiwona ayokunxusela because they know something that you don't. Manje usumbiza ngqo direct, uza kuziba kanjani nguNkulunkulu wakho? Uza kuziba kanjani unless engayena uNkulunkulu wakho? Then you and I need to agree in principle ukuthi angikhulumi ngomuntu lana okhuleka. Ingakho I'm making an example of something which is very very intimate, very personal, very deep. Because niyathandaza nje nina sometimes and you do meaningless prayers. Hayi sibonga ukuphila Jehova, ukuvuka ekseni. Ukubongelana ukuvuka ekseni? Nonsense. You've run out of things to say to God. It is him who decided anyway that uzovuka, so ubongelani. Because for as long as uvuka, it's because you are still in his plan. Ubongani? Ngikhuluma ngokunto ejulile mina ukuthi you are barren, you cannot have children. You cannot have children. Into ejulile. Into ebangabe ukuthi uyayicabanga basudlikizela inyembezi. Ngikhuluma mina ngomsebenzi, into obonayo ukuthi la ekhaya siyahlupheka la ekhaya and I need this financial breakthrough. So therefore God, I'm crying to you. Kanti it was not destined for you to get umsebenzi. Usubathumile laba baziyo ukuthi wena ukuthi nokuthi, because lokho kwaziyo wena ukukuthola they will give you if ukuthi God had predestined. Sayithola. uNkulunkulu base esezukhala kwakho basethi no. If kuguthi I disappoint this child, addressile direct, in you communicating with God direct, your level of confidence and your faith, it's a matter of life and death. Izwe kahle. I-confidence yakho kuNkulunkulu ne-faith yakho kuNkulunkulu. Sewumtshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi wena awuhlulwa yilutho. Akakwazi uNkulunkulu ukuthi ehluleke. Ngoba it's a matter of the life of your faith or your death or the death of your faith. Akukho kunye. Angeke ngithi mina Jehova lungisa umshado wami. Ngithembe wena. Ngoba wena awuhlulwe yilutho. It means mina sengihlulekile. It means I spoke to my ancestors. Ayidlulisa message. But sengifuna manje umusa wakho nesihawu sakho because wena you got a decree ukuthi mina I will never be in a peaceful marriage. But bangabe sengik-addressa direct wena uNkulunkulu ngithi wena awuhlulwe yilutho, wena wenza izinto zenzeke. It is God's prerogative ukuthi angiphendule. Uma ngabe engiphendula fanele enze mina i-testimony yobuNkulunkulu bakhe. Eqhamuke kwena umuntu ethi hey mina bekade ngingabathola abantwana ngizame yonke into. Indoda yaze yahamba yayoqoma kwenye indawo ngelinye ilanga angazi kwakwenze njani ngamane ngakhala. Yabona bosukhala kusuke sekuphakama kwasithunywa sakho sekuphakama yonke into usubona indaba semathongweni indlozi lakho manje kuyazwela manje kubona. Ngakhala mina ngakhala. You see? Wafika ubaba wekhaya after 6 months ngonakele lutho, hayi impela, and then 9 months later senginomntwana. A God is an able God. A God is a capable God. Inkingi ifika ihlalela kumina nawe ukuthi noma sesiguqa, when we kneel down we are so faithless. It's not funny. Mina nawe bame sesiguqa mina nawe. Lento yomkhuleko akuyona into oyenza isinoma inini, especially if you're not spiritually gifted. Phuma kuleyo nonsense leyo. Phuma nje kule nonsense leyo ukuthi if you are not spiritually gifted lokhu uthandaza isinoma. Yabona abantu aba-religious babheda lana abantu aba-religious. Bayalimemeza nje igama laNkulunkulu ukuze benwayisini kodwa kade bethakatha ngayizolo nakho konke lokho. There's no remorse, there's nothing. The credibility of God's majestic name kumophwa ngalo phansi. Fanele uyi-understand i-sequence yokukhuluma noNkulunkulu. Awumane nje uxambukele nje ukhulume noNkulunkulu. Nansi into engifuna niyibamba. Awumane nje ubane nje no. Njengoba wena unesithunywa esithunyiwe, sithunywa uNkulunkulu kuwena ukuthi sizoletha ama messages kuwena. It means there's a messenger in between you and God. Awuyizwa lento engiyishoyo. There's a messenger in between you and God. Your ancestors have got a responsibility ukuthi wena ungalambi. because it cannot be ukuthi when you are created ukuthi mawulambe. So abantu babizayo to put food on the table is your ancestors. Silamba kanjani manje abantu abadala nibe nikhona? Sithunywa sami khuluma nabantu abadala ukuthi they need to provide. And bazovula kuyona leyo nto lesisabela uNkulunkulu vele kade ekudalele sona. Right? But khona izinto ezijulile ezidinga uNkulunkulu uqobo. Ozoba ngabe uyikhuluma ziye direct kuNkulunkulu ngoba usuyazikhulumela wena uqobo. So you are not prohibited from talking to God. But ungabi ulo mntwana nje njalo okhuluma yabona ohlezi ekhuluma ngisho noNkulunkulu akasakuthatha serious. Hayi ubani? Hawu Thango. Oh. uNkulunkulu nezingelosi bayakudiscussa manje kanye nezidalwa zakho. Your ancestors they are discussing you. Athi uNkulunkulu engimzwile vuka ngo12 ebubula uThango sekwenze njani manje? Hayi inkosi simzwile nje usho the usual. Usho the usual. Yeah? Dawa usho the usual hayi akapheli imandla njalo nje ebusuku. Ethi uNkulunkulu God talking to your ancestors. Athi uNkulunkulu manje nina anisayini yena ngamaphupho base niyambonisa izinto khona mhlawumbe ezothi ukuthi ebe backup kancane. Thiwa hayi angeke phela uthi bangabeqeda ukushaya the usual emva kwalokho base evula ifoni angene ku TikTok emva kwalokho ephuma emva kwalokho engene ku triple X engene ku porn base yamasturbate manje asikwazi kulontuzo. Your guides discussing you with God ukuthi hayi no ubhizi kaloko ubhizi. So uma ngabe kuukuthi you rather not phahla ungaphahla. If kuukuthi your faith is left behind ungaphahli uphahlelana. Don't pray ungathandazi. If kuukuthi your faith is not intact yizwa kahle lento engishoyo angikuthumi ukuthi ungakwenzi ngithi makungabi umkhuba olahlekelwa isisindo. You rather not do it at all. Uyabona abanye benu nishodelwa into eyi-1 abanye benu ukuze izinto zenu ziqaqeke. Izinto eyi-1 usuthandazile kwathuleka uthi unenhlungu akuhambi kahle empilweni kuyathuleka. Uhambe entabeni kwathuleka, waye emanzini kwathuleka, waye kwisangoma kwathuleka, waye kumthandazo, waye kumfundisi, waye kumprofeti, waye kwathuleka. Kanti kushoda into eyi-1 awukaze uhlale phansi ukhanyisa ikhandlela ukukhale nje ngenxa yesi ungasho lutho nje. Ukhanyisa isibani sakho hlale phansi uke ulile phambi kwaNkulunkulu nezidalwa zakho ukhipha lento engaphakathi yakho and it's no longer in the form of words because every time you say something your faith is lacking. But uma ngabe sekubonakala lezi inyembezi zakho kubonakala ingaphakathi lakho ngenxa yokuthi sometimes it is your soul that sometimes need to speak on your behalf. It is your spirit sometimes that needs to speak on your behalf because every time wena uvula umlomo ukhuluma uthi ngabe uthandaza noma uphahla the very first thing oyenzayo bawuqeda uthi I wonder ukuthi inkosi yami izokwenzeka yini lento kade ngikhuluma manje la. I'm saying to you ungezi ngobuso bangabuza kuNkulunkulu. Your faith is faithless. Your faith has lost its weight. Ezinye izinto wena you just need to sit down like the candle uhlale phansi uwedwa ungabusezwa lutho nje and allow the emotions to express itself phambi kwaNkulunkulu naphambi kwabantu abadala. Ungathi indaba wena njalo wena because mina I will always question ukuthi awungitshele awungichazele ukuthi wena wavuka kangaka wathandaza kangaka kodwa imphumela asiboni njani. Is God the problem or you are the problem? Is it your ancestors or is it you? Is it isithunywa sakho or is it you? And I will tell you the problem is you. The problem is you. The day uyeke ukuthi ufuna ukuthi omunye umuntu akuzwe uma ngabe uthandaza noma uphahla ukuthi uthini, that's the day things will begin to change because it's not about the noise that you make, it's about the faith that you come with to the altar when you're coming to pray. sazi kahle izinto enikhulekayo sinizwa kahle ukuthi nithini sinizwa kahle nize niba ngumsindo nize nikhuluma ilimi nize nijuluke nize niphume inyembezi kanti the faith is left outside the door. And when that faith is left outside the door, which God are you expecting to answer your prayers? Which God? Uma ngabe usuphahlile wafike wacela abantu abadala behambe beyokunxusela kuNkulunkulu. There's only one thing uNkulunkulu azoyibuza. God will never ask whether you deserve something or not. Because it's not him who osikhuthazayo ukuthi thina asicele thina sizaphiwa. But ucela kanjani ube ungabazi ukuthi uzoyithola yini lento oyicelayo. It means uthatha ama chance. You're trying your luck. Awuyizwa lento engiyishoyo. So God is going to ask your guides ukuthi how was his faith? How was her faith when she was asking for this? Ngathi kunina kwabanye kunina lana bangabe ningena lana yakhumbula mesenza amapanel umuntu ethi mkhulu ngicela ungithandazele I'm going for a job interview ngithi I'm going to pray for you but do me a favor, just one favor. Ngifuna ukuthi bangabe sebekunikeza ithuba lokuthi ubuze imibuzo. Phela kwipanel abanye benu, some of you have never been interviewers, you are just being interviewed. Kwipanel you've got an opportunity to ask questions. Ngathi mina no uzothola umsebenzi but if you ask one question, just one question, ungababuzi ngesalary, ungababuzi ngani no babuza ukuthi when do I start. Sebe interviewile baqeda uku-interview ababhala abakubhalayo ngawe, right? Ubabuza umquestion eyi-1 kuphela when they give you a chance. When am I starting my job? Bebona confidence yokuthi cha there's no option but to give you this job because you are certain about this job and your faith is intact. Now nakuNkulunkulu bangabe wenza izinto phuma kule nkonzo yokulokhu ucela ulokhu ucela. Yabona mase ufika esigabeni sokuthi ulontuza uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi fanele kufike kuNkulunkulu uthi ngiyabonga Somandla. Ngibonga nje ukuthi ngendlela othembeke ngayo. Nanoma ngiweak, nanoma kuthiwa ngiyalingeka, I fall for temptations. Sometimes I'm weak, sometimes things don't go well. Ngiyawa endleleni, ngiyabheda endleleni. Kodwa ngibonga nje ukuthi ngendlela wena ongithanda ngayo you gonna give me this job. Thank you. Ngizobonga nje. Uyayizwa confidence. Ayongi uzobonga nje. Umbonga ngento awuyicelile uzombonga. Because Pela, you must understand the relationship between the child and the parent. Understand the relationship between God, the parent, and you, the child. Let me remind you, just to indulge you. Ingane yakho oyizalayo wena. Ingane yakho oyizalayo wena. Ubufika uyinikeza ukudla. Idle ingane. But there's a time when ingane ifikayo izocela ukudla ithi yona ilambile. Base when you prepare ini ukudla. Ibambe leyo bamba ungayidedeli. There are times when you are supposed to ask for something and then God provides. And then there's a time when God is coming to deliver to you because he's using his own discretion to say my child must eat now. Ungacelanga ukudla. Yakhumbula wawuyingane uhambe uyodlala ubiza umzali ethi it's time to eat wozodla manje. Ungacelanga kodwa ukudla, ungazizwa wena uthi ulambile because umzali they know when the time of need arises. Your God and you, that's the kind of relationship that you are supposed to have. Ngiyeza kuNkulunkulu ngizocela. But at times no. uNkulunkulu yena uzongilethela ngigacelanga. Because izinto is predestined. They are meant for you. And akekho umuntu ozoyitshontsha leyo nto. Akekho umuntu ozoyithatha leyo nto. Akekho umuntu ongayinyakazisa because God so decided. Ngeke aze afe umntwana wami u1 no2 no3 ungenzakanga empilweni yakhe. Izinto ngisho makuthiwa zingajama kangakanani empilweni yakhe usu convinced ukuthi ayisephelile ngami. But as long as you are breathing in and you are breathing out and God akaqedi ngawe. So it takes that faith edingakalayo, which is the size of a mustard seed. Ukuthi nje wena nje uzame wena aniyekeni ukuza kuNkulunkulu. Bawubhorekile hambe kwindoda yakho, bawubhorekile hambe kwintombi yakho. Uyeke ukuza kuNkulunkulu with a faithless faith. Uzokhuluma izinto kuNkulunkulu. Uzongathathwa serious. Uzokhuluma izinto eziserious. But ifaith ayikho. No. Kudingakala ifaith yakho before izinto eziserious. Ngoba ifaith yakho ezodala ukuthi kuphenduleke lokho. But wena bawufika nezinto eziserious, kodwa ifaith isele out the door, then the problem is you. It cannot be isithunywa sakho. It cannot be idlozi lakho. It cannot be uNkulunkulu wakho. Awuzilungise. Busy sikhuluma ngama-alignment. Your faith is not aligned. What comes out of your mouth and what comes out of your heart. No, sinenkinga ngokholo lwakho. Sinenkinga, ingakho uzawudidiseka kalula nje. Uzawudidiseka because your faith is not intact. Now we need you to stop the nonsense. Cut the nonsense. Be clear. Isithunywa, umsebenzi wesithunywa ukuthi usithume. Isithunywa is employed by God and yourself. Isithunywa wena ositshelayo ukuthi awunikeze information engantshela. Isithunywa, it's exactly that. It is a messenger. An angel is a messenger. Nangoke umuntu ekufanele ngabe wenza ipillow talk naye. Isithunywa. Hayi, phela inkinga yena nithanda ukulala nodwa. Bokulale wedwa nje. Ekamereni nje obesembhedeni wedwa nje. Ukuhlala ubheke phezulu. Basuthi isithunywa sami sike sixoxe. Kwenzakalani lapha ekhaya kanje. Uyobona isimanga. Fika ubuze nje base uyathula. You will begin to hear things. Awungizwa. You'll begin to hear things. Uthi manje ubaba kaGeli usaziphethe kahle. Baba kaGeli usaziphethe kahle. Uyobona isimanga. Aphuma ama-file. Who is working against me? Do I have any serious enemies? And so uyobona isimanga. Vuka uhlale ngezini emva kwalokho umangala. Lokho uthi yo. Into yakhona because isithunywa siyathumeka. Siyathumeka. Inkinga wena mthumi waso awufuni ukuthi usithume because when you undermine your own gift, when you undermine amandla akho, you undermine wena into onikezwe yona emazulwini. You doubt yourself so much, it becomes a problem because isithunywa ufanele ngabe uyasithuma, ugcina ungasasithuma, ugcina ususitusa. Yabo? Usuyasithandaza manje isithunywa. Kunokuthi wena usithume isithunywa. You need to get that. You need to understand that. So I want you to go back and understand ukuthi izinto ekwakuthiwa hlehlani kuzona zimbi. Kodwa belungu babhisi bazibeka la eduze kubona. You are misled. Go and correct that. Mhlawumbe you are hating something that you are supposed to love. Mhlawumbe you are destroying and running away from something that you are supposed to love. And angabe nibambile ke lento le ye principle yegazi, you will never go wrong. Ye principle yegazi, you will never go wrong. Once wayibamba awusophinde. I promise you that. Now then, understand the things that you communicate with. Uhlulwa yini ukuthi uhambe entabeni yothi abantu abadala ngizocela izinto zami manje? Ngibonisele. Ukuphuphe nje. They need to show you. Yini ekuvimba? Look at your lack of faith. Why unqaba ukubuza imibuzo ebalulekile ukuthi hey ngikhombiseni mina? I did it. But bantu abadala no, I need clarity. Ngikhombise, I want you to show me. Niyakhumbula? Even I think last month or 2 months ago ngathi mina go and tell your ancestors to show you ukuthi emehlweni abo wena uyini. I told you that because mina I can be this guy okanje, but in their eyes I'm something else. And nginithuma lokho ngangithuma simply because I had done the exercise myself. ngakhuleka 3 days guys, show me who am I in your eyes. Bangikhombisa ngisesontweni kugcwele abantu esontweni, ngilapha phambili kwi-altar and I am praying for people. I am praying for people. Ngabuya ngaza kunina la ngathi futhi kandaba lokho ngibiza ngomkhulu, ngumfundisi mina. Why? Because my ancestors and my God, bangabe yes I've got healing. I do healing. Yes, I prophesy. I've got prophetic gifts. Yes, but mina angisiyi umkhulu, mina ngumfundisi. They've shown me. Yabo? Ngathi hambani nobabuza ukuthi emehloneni bayini. A lot of you came back ku WhatsApp wami seningitshela ukuthi hayi mina ngibonisa ukuthi mina ngikanje, mina amahila, mina ngikuthi afika omunye umuntu athi no, kahle kahle mina yena obetshela ukuthi umthandazi kuphela bamkhombisa ezinye izinto. Yabo? So now you need to then understand. You need to understand so that when you are in sync, you are aligned with the greater vision. With the greater vision. Abanye benu nihleli njengamanje ngikhuluma abanye behleli njengamanje, you are not aligned. Every time you dream of home uphupha ikhaya leliya enahamba kulona ngo1972 kini nahamba naye emadolobheni, but njalo bangabe uphupha ikhaya uphupha lela khaya, it means wena amandla akho alapha and your guides are there waiting for you. But wena ngeke phela because wena usuzitshelile ekhanda lakho ukuthi in order for you to feel like you are living a proper life fanele ukuthi ugibele in an elevator and go up and awekho lapha emakhaya. Kanti that is where your peace will be found. That is where you will be aligned with your guides. That is where izinto zakho zizophakama khona, ibusiso zakho. And nabantu ni spiritually gifted, for as long as you think ukuthi your ancestors will operate best lapha emadolobheni, lapha emaThekwini nako Joburg iphuma lapha. Your ancestors want peace. They are capable, but now you need to provide an environment which is most comfortable for them. Ebese ufika lana with your faithless faith, uzongitshela ukuthi wena usebenzi, uzongitshela ukuthi wena unamali, so uzoyithenga kanjani indawo yokuthi uhambe esemi rural idalwa zakhe zifunayo. The problem is because when you're thinking about yourself, it's not about you, it's about what God is capable of and what your ancestors are capable of. Sila esikhona namhlanje, we have properties we cannot even account properly ukuthi sifike kanjani la. But because God was planning and God decreed and then God was able and the ancestors made sure ukuthi they deliver on God's promise. Now, you understand lento basuyayibamba lento ijulile mfethu, ijulile. So the problem is you. Na noma sekuthiwa sahambi kahle empilweni, noma kuthiwa khona ama obstacles empilweni, especially in spiritually gifted, because guys thina abantu bakamoya thina spiritually gifted siyagowisha ngendlela esigowisha ngayo, it's not funny. Ubone kahle uzuzibuza ukuthi why did you choose me, why didn't you choose other people, and those people are hating you because you are the chosen one. As if when you went to chase after this gift, when you did not chase after this gift, kwa wena le gift wena uyifuni. Laba bayifunayo abakhethiwe bayakuzonda, but wena okhethiwe uyagowishwa because there are certain things that needs to die in your life before you reach le phase ekufanele ukuthi ureach kuyona. Becomes a problem. Now uyabaduba impela kokunele uyabaduba. Mina nje ngibagoloza ukuthi guys, I'm not praying, I'm not partially, and angiphahli angithandazi, nina ndlala ngami. Ngithi ngisashaya igolozment kanjani bayibone le golozment ukuthi okay serious bamane beletha ama client awu10, now what do I have to do? Angifune kuphahla, angifune ngithandaza, ngibakwatele. I'm angry at them, I'm angry at God, I'm angry at my ancestors. Angifune kwasithunywa sami eduze kwami, ngibakwatele. Ingene i-call. Mkhulu, ngicela abantu ukuthi ungisize. Ngicela i-consultation, please, as soon as possible. Sekumele manje ngiqale phansi ngizokhanyisa ibani manje abantu abadala nangu sibanibani. Ufuna i-consultation, ngicela ukuthi nibe khona. Nize kule consultation session lena, ngicela ukuthi nisikhanyisele nisambulele sike sibone inkinga ejulile ekumele ukuthi mazilungiswe. I'm back to them whether I like it or not. You see now, that is another thing that you need to understand. When something is predestined, it cannot be changed. Just because when you're angry at God and you're angry at you guys, it does not then therefore mean ukuthi umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu uzoma just because wena you are aggrieved. It does not work like that. Bobuza uJona. John inkunzi malanga. Hayi yancamela ukuthi iphonto. I know I'm not going there. uNkulunkulu uyangihlanyela angiyi lapha mina uNkulunkulu uyangihlanyela. Seningamane ningibulale ngcono ngife kwamanje. I choose death. Lalela, you can choose death because you're trying to run away from your calling. Uyobuya uhamba nge-wheelchair, but the calling you shall respond to whether you like it or not because it is predestined. Predestined. So kwezinye izinto we must not be impulsive. Because when you are impulsive, the whale shall swallow you. And it's not a good process. Angazi ukuthi ubani la kunini wayicabanga ukuthi nene uJona bangabe umkhoma lona usumgwinyile. It was a nice process. He was chilling there inside the belly of the whale and so on and so forth. I don't know ukuthi ubani wantshela lokho. If ukuthi he was chilling there, it was not going to be necessary for him to even pray. Because when life is perfect for you and you are having all the good times, you guys don't pray. You guys don't pray. Why ngene kwi-digestive system laphayana, and then the whale was taking him to the right destination, ebalekela ukubizo nogcobo lwakhe. So you must ask yourself ukuthi ngempela ikhona yini i-free will kumntwana wakamoya okhethiwe ukuthi unomsebenzi la emhlabeni. And lo umsebenzi wakho wedwa, kukhonjwe wena wedwa. We may do similar things, but believe you me, esakhe isandla ugcobo lwakho olwakho wedwa. So then what do we do as we move forward? What do we do as we move forward? Ungathandazi mfowethu if ukuthi it's gonna be meaningless. Ungaphahli mfowethu if it's gonna be meaningless. Ukuthandaza kwakho akungabi umkhuba, akungabi iritual. Ukuthandaza kwakho akuze nento kuthi mhla yabona ubabona something ne? Nike nimbone umuntu ongakhulumi kakhulu. Ukuthi nanoma inini bangabe ufuna ukukhuluma. People pay attention to that person. Angazi nibone lo. Yabona lo ongayena uyada. Uthi nje kanye isandla. Even in a meeting. Ngoba kahle esekhuluma njalo. Thiwa no imani usibani ufuna ukukhuluma. Uthini? Umuntu ongakhulumi kakhulu uyalangazelelwa ukuthi ezwakale ukuthi ufuna ukuthini. Kodwa lokhuluma kakhulu ezekhuluma umgqabhiso, ekhuluma uBrian, ekhulume wonke lo mbhedo lona nakho konke lokho. Hayi. Kumane kuthiwe hey Nkosi yami. This one doesn't know when to stop. This one doesn't know it. So you apply the same principle towards your prayer. Fika njalo ubhiza ubangela uNkulunkulu isicefe nomsindo nakho konke. Yabo mina service end, indaba ye service end angifuni mina. I hate it. Indaba ukuthi ngizofika esontweni ngihlale khona 3 hours 4 hours. That's nonsense. Because it simply means ukuthi njengoba ngizo grandstander lana, ngenza i-concert, ngenza i-show lana. It's because uNkulunkulu angikhulumi naye ekhaya. Yingakho manje sengizolibhovomela lana nginibangela umsindo lokho nginikhonkotha la. Kanti I'm trying to find the God who is missing in my life. No man, be short and straightforward and sweet. Ube ne-impact uphumpele kwabantu because uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu uhlezi ukhuluma naye on a daily basis. On a daily basis. Manje nama ngabe ngizoba yilo mfundisi lo, hayi uNkulunkulu, hayi nini manje onke ubasuqala phansi ke khona into eniyenza unnecessary which is fucking irritating. I hate it. Stop it. Why do we need to keep on reminding uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena wavula ulwandle abantwana bakwaIsrael base badlula kulolo lwandle? Ungenaphi wena? Ungenaphi? It's not even in sync with what you are praying for. ukuqala nje umkhuleko umtshela uNkulunkulu umtshela umxoxele inganekwane umxoxele wena uNkulunkulu wathumela ingelosi uGabriela kuMaria wena uNkulunkulu wavela uyilontuzana usha laphayana esihlahleni uMose wakubona wena uNkulunkulu watshela uAbraham wara hey siyabonga Nkosi yamakhosi amen shandarabashika rabababosha. What the hell did you say? What were you saying? What were you saying? Then next time you come to pray, ubani lona ocabanga ukuthi uzokuthatha serious? Who's going to listen to you with your nonsensical approach? Ibizwa ngokuthi yini lento oyenzayo? Uyasuza uyalala uyasuza uyalala uyasuza uyalala uyavuka uzobangela uNkulunkulu isicefe. Njani? When you come to God, you come with serious issues. When you come to God, you come with faith which is intact because amandla akho wena sekuhlulile awakho amandla kwabheda. Now you're saying I've tried my level best. Sengicela ukuthi kube wena manje ongenelelayo ebona uNkulunkulu because it cannot be ukuthi what you can simply easily do and succeed wena uzofuna intervention kaNkulunkulu. It cannot be. It cannot be. Khona izinto ekumele mazenziwe wena. Khona izinto ezimele ukuthi mazenziwe uNkulunkulu. Khona izinto ezimele ukuthi mazenziwe idlozi lakho. Understand your scope. You need to first understand your scope. Khona izinto ezidinga ukuthi uphahle, khona izinto ezidinga ukuthi ukhuleke. Khona izinto ezidinga imithi, khona izinto ezidinga amanzi. Khona izinto ezidinga intaba, khona izinto ezidinga nje ukuthi uthule base uyakhala. Thule nje base uyakhala. Khale nje, khale. Kubizwe an emergency meeting, an urgent meeting, an unscheduled meeting. Hlangana idalwa kuhlangana abantu abadala sephakamisa likwazi manje. Zithi ngeke phela manje uyabona njengamanje la. Inseka zethu. Umntwana wethu uyakhala manje. Ngeke nina makhehla ni wrong. You create impi. You create conflict. Behlangana abantu abadala bexabane kubangwa indaba yakho kuthiwa hayi zithi zalukwazi ngeke sekuyazwela manje ngathi nina makhehla isandla nisiqinisa kakhulu ngeke phela umntwana wethu lo bengavumelani kuthiwe no let's take this matter and let's escalate the matter. Let us escalate the matter. Asihambeni sonke ngoba sivumelani asahambe siyokhuluma nomkhulu womkhulu umnini mandla onke umqandi nomphelisi wezinto zonke. Kuconvene a special council ngendaba yakho kubizwa meeting kuthiwe hayi uyakhala manje umntwana wethu asisavumi manje ayishintshe le season akuyona because the season change is guaranteed. Ukuthi wena kule season ohleli kuyona uhlala isikhathi eside kangakanani, it's all up to you and your guides, but you alone you are not worth it. You must come with your faith. Season yayishintsha wena season yayishintsha season. Basuqala usubona usukhula ngokomoya base uyabona hayi man lento yama season hayi. If you can have 4 seasons in one day ayikulungile. It means therefore even nawe kuhambo lwakho lwasemhlabeni ungalishintsha igear uyishintshe isizini. I no longer want to be poor. I no longer want to be miserable. I no longer want to be in a miserable relationship which has got no direction. I now want peace. I'm calling the season of peace. I'm now calling prosperity empilweni yami. It's fine, the enemies can be there, but when asithunywa ngiyakuthuma ukuthi ungiprotect because njengoba you see the art of ukuthuma isithunywa is that job description yesithunywa iqhamuka kuwena. Not defend me and protect me. It's your job. Ngiyakuthuma. Do that. Hayi guys, angeniyeke ukungabaza amandla enu. Hayi anehliseni ukungabaza amandla. When you do not know who you are, and that is why you'll always approach God in an apologetic way. Phela ngithi natshelwa nina kwathiwa nina fanele uma ngabe ufuna ukwamukela ukuphila kwaphakade hayi fanele ukuthi uwamukele wonke ushido wenzakalayo la emhlabeni umvuzo omkhulu uyothola ezulwini bekutshela nonsense. It's nonsense. It's okay for someone to bully you. It's okay for someone to gibele ekhanda. It's okay for someone to emotionally psychologically abuse you. umuntu akufrustrate, it is okay. You are accepting all of these things because ufundisiwe ukuthi kuyabekezelwa. Ufundisiwe ukuthi hayi kumele uthi mawubekezele. No, if it's not coming from God, it's not coming from your guide, you don't have to bekezela. You need to address it and change the season. The season must change. Abanye benu nisebenza kwama institution whereby abaphathi benu banithatha isinome kanjani, they undermine you. Angimfuni mina umphathi onjalo. Umuntu okundermineayo akakuboni wena nezidalwa zakho. Akakuboni wena nezidalwa zakho. You'll be abused, you'll be uzothatheka kancane nakho konke lokho because wena uthandaza, wena ugobela umuntu enithola nayo salary advice. Now boss uyayitshela boss, uthi no, listen, don't talk to me like that. You must respect me. Umbheke emehlweni. No, you must respect me. You must respect me. Don't address me like that. Ashwabani people lithi, shwabani people. Because I can't expect it leyo nto kwena. Your guys will never ever lead you astray. Nina because amandla enu anwazi nihlala in abusive relationships, not understanding ukuthi wena ungaya entabeni ufika ulibiza igama lomuntu. Ulibiza igama lomuntu. Yabona nje bawazi you are not cheating. Wazi ukuthi your heart is pure, clean. Uya entabeni. Fika uphahle lapha abantu abadala. Nina nisegazini lami. Nina bakuboka ma nabakuboka babe enhlambulukile. Anibiza idalwa sika sibanibani. Nike nikhulume nazo ukuthi indaba engenza kanje. Ha uyafeba usibanibani wenza ukuthi umcebe abona ukuthakatha lokho umcebe straight. Emva kwalokho basuyahamba. Izinto ongafuna zenze ezingekho right which are not healthy for your relationship yakho na umcebe. Kuthi ngelinye ilanga ngithi ujwayele inkonzo malanga uthi hamba ubuka ibhola namajita. Angithi umuzwe kuyena osho ukuthi yakuvumi ngihambe namhlanje ngathi ibhola ngizolibuka la ekhaya ubona ukuthi you see, yeah. You guys, you undermine the power that you have. Emsebenzini bekuhlukumeza usupervisor bakho ufike uhambe nje uye lapha. Uthi nosibani bayangihlukumeza. Ngicela nikhulu kusayikho yini khulumani nezidalwaza uzoqonda nje. So ashintshe ulimi bangabe khuluma nawe. Your boss akade kujwayela kabi, supervisor or manager, I don't care. Ashintshe ulimi bangabe khuluma nawe. If you're going for an interview and uyabaza abantu mhlambe promotion la emsebenzini and we are already uyayazi panel ukuthi oba uyahamba ufuna igama le panel lama panelists oba nabantu abazobe ku panel uhambe entabeni ufike ubabize one by one. I'm going to an interview bantu abadala ngiyanicela ke isidalwa zami lapha kuzobe kukhona usibani ngicela bangabe bengibona nje angini nasenafaka umlomo omnandi la Quincy angithi sanafaka umlomo omnandi angithi njengoba nifaka umlomo omnandi nukhuma noChepisi lana nicabanga ukuthi lo mlomo omnandi uzonisebenzela awuzukunisebenzela ngithole kahle niba u10 niya kwi interview A1 nonke nifaka umlomo omnandi uzosebenzela banushiye ba sekusemandleni ani ama ancestors wenu kusemandleni ani S2. That is why you need to go entabeni ufike uyibize le yanto le lapha ya ufike uyibize yabo. So kufanele ukuthi lento nibambe lena ngoba understand amandla akho, uunderstand uNkulunkulu wakho ukuthi yena akanawo ama limit. uNkulunkulu is limited by your imagination. God is limited by your imagination. uNkulunkulu ufanele kumenza ukuthi ayiflex muscle by demanding big things from him. Demanding big things from him. Serious things. You call for stability empilweni yakho. You call for peace empilweni yakho. Yabona ngithi it's big thing when awuyibona into guys, nothing is expensive as peace emhlabeni. Ayikho into, it's very costly. For you to get the life of peace, you need to first be hurt. You must get hurt. And you must help people. You must be detached to people. You then begin to learn to be alone and not lonely. Isn't it funny? You call for prosperity When you're calling for prosperity, fanele ukuthi ukwazi lokho ukuthi prosperity and abundance are two different things. But then prosperity is not money. Because nina uma nithandazela imali. And ingakho uma ngenza umzekeliso, nibhizi nikhulekela imali, ngicela imali yokuthi Jehova, ngicela imali yokuthi abantu abadala, ngicela ningisize imali yokuthi sekuyaziwa ukuthi the usual. Awuzi ngisho nanelo ntuzana, nane plan. Ukuthi le mali eyani, le mali eyani, le mali eyani. And how is lento oyifunayo ukubona is gonna work for the greater good yabo abantu abadala. uNkulunkulu akaze yes okay ngizoyisho uNkulunkulu akaze amane enzela umuntu into if it is not about God. God has never done anything for somebody if it is not about him as God. God does things for you so that his name may be exalted. God does things for you so that credibility ye-existence yakhe. So uNkulunkulu bangabenza izinto empilweni yakho. It's not about you. It is through you, but not for you or about you rather. It can be for you and through you, but it is about him, not yourself. And that is why you end up losing a genuine relationship with God and you end up losing a genuine relationship with your ancestors. Why? Nkosi ngicela ungisize ngopartner oright ozongithanda anginakekele Nkosi yami ebe faithful bandla engafebi nani. Right? Kanti vele it is predetermined ukuthi vele wena uzoba naye lo partner loyo. So njengoba usumcela manje usuyamhlangabeza ukuthi akasheshe efike lo partner loyo. And guess what happens? Afike upartner. Mangabe sefikile upartner. Guess what happens? Wena udaka uthando wena. Lukuhlanyise uthando, likuhlanyisa uthando, usukhohlwa nawe ukubonga ukuthi lento ade ngiyicelile abantu abadala nawe uNkulunkulu isifikile. Emva kwalokho you exile yourself wena. You spiritually exile yourself. Awusaphahla. Awusathandazi. Kwelika moya nje awusaziwa nje wena ngoba manje usunake lo muntu lo usomathandweni wena unake lo muntu. Sekubizwa imeeting ke ngawe. Sekubizwa imeeting a meeting is now convened about you. Lo mntana ufika ecele ebese siyamnika. Mangabe sesimnikile lo mntwana base eyasikhohlwa nje totally forget that we even exist. Now, is it wise of us to carry on giving this child everything that this child asks for? Because lengane lena every time sinikeza lento eyifunayo iyanyamalala ifike ibhubhudle emva kwalokho uma ngabe sesiqala thina sizamazamisa lento ekade simnikeze yona seziyaqala phela inkinga. Uyaxabana nopartner wakho, anisazwani nopartner wakho, anisafuna nopartner wakho, usuqala phansi manje usukhanyisa amakhandlela after 6 months. Wabuya madoda nangu yini manje Nkosi yami awukusizi bandla Nkosi yami, the heart is broken, it's pieces. Izishawe istroke, ine arthritis injalo, ayibounce kahle, uyakhala unesibibithwane. Konakele manje, konakele. Abantu abadala mina umntwana wena nonke nihlambulukile ngiyanibiza bakubuka manje nawe ngelosi yokulunga usubona manje selingelosi ilungile nakade ubusy lapho ushaya ixofu ubungayiboni ingelosi ukuthi ilungile. You are not praying, you are not partnering ingelosi ubungayithumi ibingenzi nix, ubungakhulumi nanoNkulunkulu, ubungakhulumi namuntu, ubungazi umuntu. Indawo yakho lekade ujwayele ukuthandazela kuyona before lento uyithole lento kade uyithandazela isinolwembu manje. It's got sekuhlala yini ama spiders manje lapha ya. hlala ama-spiders lapho qale phansi you coming to reintroduce yourself and they've made a decision ukuthi wena you are unreliable wena every time you get, and that is why guys we don't get everything that we ask for. I-problem ithina basuyitholile lento kade uyicela kuNkulunkulu. Yes guys, bekunikeza upartner right ozokuphatha kahle nihloniphane yonke into nje base niba naleya chemistry which is about that inseparable chemistry eniba nayo ethi kaso leyo chemistry le yabo ubone uthi hawu Nkosi yami my soulmate is here. Abantu abadala bebona ever since the soulmate came this one is not praying akasakhulumi nathi. Ever since we gave this person lento ayicelile umntwana wethu ke manje ke webafowethu bekufanele ukuthi abe nama-million. Sisazomnikeza indlela ama-million njengoba esahlulwa upartner nje. Phela bahambe ethola ama-million nomuntu lokusho ukuthi uyoze ngene ethuneni engazange ephinde akhuluma nathi. Uyabona manje evaluation uthi yenzeka nini manje ngempilo yakho and your destination. No uzowathola lama-million lawo. Uzowathola khuleka but uzowathola ngo-10 rand ngoba wena uthembekile. Azoza ngo-10 rand 20 rand 50 rand. Hayi futhi wena ungathi uba excited kakhulu uma ngabe uthola u50,000 ba uthola 100,000 ngathi uhlanya kakhulu thiwe no haye akathole nje lo 30 rand akathole nje u50 rand kanje ayeza wona but because i-credibility yakho ngalesikhathi lama-million akho eza njengamasenti wena you continue to phahla and pray and therefore the lines of communication are open. So ubani umuntu oyinkinga? Are you getting it now guys? Are you getting it? Now when you are now making your guides, right? To now give you things in bits and pieces. Ngenxa yokuthi they are scared ukuthi if they give you what is due to you bame bekunikeza nje boo nanka amabhakede othando boo bekunikeza kanje wena wena obaflathelayo wena ohambayo wena. Now do you understand why thina abantwana bakamoya singayiwini lotho? Mkhulu Thango wayedlala ilotho 2023 wonke abantu abadala belokho ingena imessage lapha yaka lotho ithi you have won. Congratulations, you have won. Ngifuna ukuyivula ke imessage angithi message iqala ivele la iqala ivele nangu lotho congratulations you have won. Ngisukume ngithi moya oyingcwele akekho ofana nawe Jehova. Hayi uthembekile ngivula imessage 12.50 awu ebengibuka abantu abadala behleli emazulwini bethi ha okusalayo wena uwinile wena okusalayo you are a winner okusalayo ucelile ukwini lotho and we winile lo ngempela. Think about it ngifike ngaphahla ngifike ngaphahla ngacela ukwini lotho. Abantu abadala njengamanje ngidlala ilotho ngiyacela ke abantu abadala ukuthi ngiyiwina le lotho. Abantu abadala bethembekile abantu abadala bebahle abantu abadala bephendule wonke umphahlo abantu abadala bephendula yonke imikhuleko. uNkulunkulu ethembekile emuhle uNkulunkulu ethembekile ephendula imikhuleko. Bengiyiwina week in week out ilotho bengiyiwina. I am a winner. Bengiyiwina ilotho 12.50 bengihleka abantu abadala bethi yeah ucela ilotho simnikile ufuna ilotho ucela ukwini ilotho. You see the power in the vocabulary ne yayibona amandla ekutheni ube clear. Hayi ngayiwina mina ilotho namanje futhi ngisayiwina ilotho strong up kabi but hayi bazongishaya ngo-12.50 yabo bengishaya ngo-12.50 bakungena congratulations ngizwe ngijabula ngoba uNkulunkulu muhle. Hawu ngithi mina Nkosi yami uma ngabe ngithi ngiyayivula ngibone wehla umoya ngiyobuya nofuseke omncane emva kwalokho taha Fuseke man But they've answered, leta ngiyicelile mina. I wanted to win ilotto and I won ilotto. Ukuthi 1250 abantu abadala bangene lapho. Ngoba kusho ukuthi abangithembi mina nama-million. Now I need to go back and then apologize to say abantu abadala. At some point I said to you, ngizothenga imoto because mina izono zami ngiyazazi inkosi yami futhi ngihlezi ngisho no. Hayi, ukubheda kwami ngisuke ngikwazi. Even when karma is visiting me, I know ukuthi yini lesukudala lo. I'm very very clear, I'm very sober. Bantu abadala I know ukuthi wayini ngishaya kanje. Nathi angihambe ngiyothenga iStaria, mina ngihamba ngiyothenga H1. So you guys are pissed off at me. Ngoba nanifuna iStaria, mina ngalanda iH1. Mama sengilandile iH1, kwayona le H1 leyo babe ngayifuni. So now I understand. They don't trust me. Yabo? Now I need to build the credibility slowly but surely. Right? Ngiyaxolisa. Angenzanga kahle la. Mina I wanted to save money. Ngahamba ngayolanda imoto cheap, imoto nina ekade ngayifuni nina beningikhombise le moto. Because once they've shown you. Right? Manje ngeke ke baze banginikeza ama-million. Kwanina njengoba ningihleka nje la niyayidlala leyo lotho anitholi twa. Your ancestors don't trust you because nina nizovela ku I blew it. Nizovela ku I blew kungcono nanami ke nkosi. Nina nizovela ku I blew it. Nina. Excel. So you are destined for great things, you are destined for millions nakho konke lokho. Lama million akho lokho efika nga 2000, 1000. 3,000. I'm a million njalo that you must get in this lifetime. But afika ngalama 1000 amancane in small portions. Because watestwa wacela upartner, wacela ulontuzana, wacela a loving relationship, a credible partner, bakunikeza wona you didn't pray emva kwalokho wanyamalala njengomsuzo wanyamalala. They're not going to trust you. They are not going to trust you. So now you need to go back and then try now and see and assess. Angisafuni manje ama-million. Angifuni nqamba manga sharp. Ngiyabatsha guys ngidlalile ngami nganicela ama-million nangigaxa u12.50 and into engiphatha kabi ngalabo 12.50 that every week it was clear even na ku live everyone knew ku live ukuthi hayi umkhulu uzowin ilotho this week but it's going to be 12.50. Ngelinye ilanga ngaze ngadlala ilotho ngadlala unumber 12 ngadlala no 50 kama nje sengizama ukubona ukuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi u12 lo kufanele ngidla because is 12.50 ngiwina u12.50 so manje angazi noma kufanele ngidlale u50 noma ngidla angisazi manje ngelinye ilanga I had to then play inumber ngelinye ilanga ngadlala inumber ngafike ngadlala u1 ngadlala u2 ngadlala u12 ngadlala u5 ngadlala uyayibona le nto because now sengizama nkosi yami ukuthi ngilandele le sign leka 12.50 until today. Nto inkunzimalanga lezi azingithembi. Imali engangiyibhubhudla ku Florida Road man. Phela ikhona imali engayidla yokwakha isonto. Ne? Ikhona imali engayidla. Nga-invoice nje impela imali ayisile ngeke ngize ngisho ukuthi kuphi. Ngafika ngayi-invoice yangena imali. Ngami singenile imali kwakhona le yanto kodwa phela nawe ufanele wengixolele ngoba phela ngangade ngingakhulile ngokomoya ngendlela engiyiyona manje la. Mina ngayo ku Florida mina. Mina ngayo ku Florida. Ngayo ku Florida mina. Itafula lami. Comrades, let's drink. Sayishaya, sayibhubhu. Kanti imali yabantu abadala. It's the money of the old people, the ancient ones. Hey. Ngangasho nasendlini ukuthi le mali ingenile ngendlela eyayifihlwe ngayo so nami ngangitshe ukuthi ngalelo la ngoNkulunkulu phela uyangibusisa yabo no hayi ngayibhubhudla imali sengibhubhudlile imali ikhani sengiziphupha manje ngilakha isonto ne sengiphupha manje ngiyalakha isonto ngithi na where am I gonna get the money from angithi manje uyayibona ke inkinga ke manje la ikhona abazange banginika imali iqala base banginikeza instruction after kanti bona if nabo kade bethe abantu abadala kwakufanele beqale benginikeza instruction iqala base emva kwalokho ke yabona leyo base benginikeza imali. It's only after that la khona engaqala khona ukuthi ngiqale nginikeze instruction base ke iyaqhamuka imali yokwenza lokho then I understood but before then I remember it was about 25,000 esawuswapha lapha eCapelos Yeah, it was about 25,000. Hayi, bami sengibakhokhelile abasebenzi and stuff like that and stuff like that and stuff like that. Ngihamba ngawubhubhudla ke lo 25K. And namhlanje yazi ngistakhe kwimali yamawindi asesontweni. And do you wanna guess how much roughly imali yakhona yokwenza amawindi necapha lapha ya? It's 25K. 25K mina ngiwenzeni? Ngawudla ku Florida Road eCapelos, but the ancestors provided. You see, it's a problem. Oh yes. So you see now, sengihleli ke manje ke lana abantu abadala phela ke mina nginankinga. Nansi inkinga ke. Nansi inkinga. Abantu abadala phela mina nginankinga. Mina nje nginankinga. Isonto lenu phela lena akusilona lami. Isonto lenu abantu abadala. Bami ningafuni ukunginikeza le mali le, akunankinga mina abantu abadala. Iyangena manje i-arrogance. Ne? Siyangena manje arrogance. Abantu abadala no phela eleni ilontuzana isonto. Liqedeni nini? How? So ningaze nihlule imali encane kanje namawindi necapha. Just some aluminium windows necapha. Livaleke indawo. Eleni phela isonto. It's not mine. How? Futhi nini nangisukela nanginikeza lolubizo nalolu gcobo mina abengena nkinga nje mina. Mina bengena nkinga mina abantu abadala. So bonaniki ukuthi nenze njani. Ngibuye ngelinye abantu abadala uyabona ngifuna understand nabantu abadala ukuthi for as long as isonto lingaqediwe ubukhosi benu eninginikeze bona abuzukuphakama. So therefore bantu abadala inine en delay process yenu. Mina inhliziyo yami iyavuma kodwa manje nina anifuni ukuqeda lento yena. I'm trying to manipulate them now yabo. Inkunzi balanga lokho zithi cha. We don't trust you with money anymore. You bubudled it. We gave you money, we bubudled it. So ngelinye ilanga, I think it's also 2023 or 2022, I go to sahlala la TikTok man. Ngelinye ilanga ngiphahle ngithi test me abantu abadala, test me. Ngicela ngitest abantu abadala, I'll prove my loyalty to you. Nizobona, I'll show you. Abantu abadala bathi okay. Kwafona uMampho, niyamkhumbula uMampho? uMampho is in England. uMampho ethi mkhulu khona umoya othi kumina angikunikeze imali. Le mali engizokutransferela yona mkhulu ngiyadonate imbhede. Beds imbhede. Donate imbhede. Ngathi okay Mampho. Wayesenda uMampho imali yashintshwa from ama-pounds into ama-randi, from PayPal into my FNB and so on and so forth. Hey guys, angazi ngiyiphathe kahle kanje. Angazi leya mali noma yayikade u40K or it was 20K. I don't really remember. I'm not sure. I think it was 40K. Hey, angikaze ngihloniphe kanje. Angithintanga ngisho isent, angithintanga ngisho uzuka waleyo mali leyo. Ngenza sure ngathola imbhede, ngathenga ama-single bed, ngawathenga ama-single bed athathwa ayiswa lapha kwi-spiritual home, afakwa in each and every room. Ngabuya ke abantu abadala niyabona. uMpho ngamenzela ivideo, ngamsendela ama-receipt and all the stuff. Wafona wangena lana ngambusisa, ngasiphatha kahle. Ngathi bantu abadala. Ngathenga namakhethini. Hey Messi, thank you. Ngathenga namakhethini. Nkosi yami phela ngathenga amakhethini asekitchen for the bedrooms. Ukungazi nkosi yami uyabona nje kube umuntu osilisa. Ngathi but I just wanted to be sure ukuthi nje ngenza kahle. uNkulunkulu ebona ukuthi this child of ours ngempela, because now ngizama ukuthi manje yes nalalo kulo mbhede in 2023 ngizama ukuthi manje ngiclean igama lami ukuthi hayi phela if niqala ninginikeza instruction base ninginikeza imali, I'm going to comply, but bami nizonginikeza imali qala. Hayi niyesengilethe instruction imali ngibese ngiblowe strong. Guys, ona indlebe zokuzwa uzwile. I love you guys. Keep me in your prayers and I shall keep you in my prayers as well. uNkulunkulu akanilondoloza nivikele. Abadinga i-consultation, inamba yami ikhona kwi-bio. Ngicela ukuthi sihlangane kusasa. Yes. Angazi kwenzakalani guys, there is an energy shift. I don't want to lie. So much so ukuthi even i-instruction yokuthi ngizokwenza lo live manje la ngiwuthole literally at 5 to 6 if I'm not mistaken, because bese ngiyitshelile ukuthi no khonto eshodayo le energy. So if nina abantu abadala ningangeni nami kule session, I'm not gonna bother doing it. So there is some energy shift. Somebody is doing something, or something in the spiritual realm is actually happening, and I'm trying to then ongangifollowishi kulungile, uNkulunkulu akubusise. Ongasubscribe kulungile, kuyeza ukufa kwena. Ongangigiftanga sobonana ethuneni. Ongasitephanga iscreen okwenze kumina ungathi ngabuya kwena kuphendephendiwe. Ngebisana amakhanda nami ngena isibusiso. Ukuthula kaNkulunkulu kulolu qonda konke makube seyinhlizweni zenu naseyingqondweni zenu. Basuthi umusa weNkosi yethu uJesu Kristu, uthando lukaNkulunkulu Baba, ubudlelwano bukaMoya Oyingcwele kanye nezibusiso ezivela kuyidalwa zenu ezihlambulukile. Konke lokho makwehlele kunina manje naphakade. Amen. Ngiyathanda ke guys. I shall see you. I shall see you tomorrow. Thank you so much.